different stories that help me manifest every single penny. I'm only sharing it with you so you can do the very same. So check it out. I have 4 different stories that help me manifest every single penny. I'm only sharing it with you so you can do the very same. So check it out. So this first story actually takes place right in this vehicle that I'm filming in. This is my baby, by the way. The first story actually starts out by me spinning out on the freeway. Yeah, I did a whole one. Actually, that was a 360 that I just did. I did a whole 180. There was no ice on the ground. It wasn't snowing. It wasn't even cold. I spun out on the freeway in the rain because my tires were bald. I had bald tires because my bank account was also bald. I was broke. So didn't tell anybody about it. I was kind of embarrassed, but I knew that I needed to get new tires for my truck. Out of the blue, my uncle texted me, and the conversation went a little bit like this. Hey, are you free around 4:30 today? Yeah, I'm free. Why, what's up? Okay, cool. I set an appointment up for you at Bell Tire. And I knew immediately why I had an appointment. And I was just like, oh, hey, I ain't really got Bell Tire money like that, you know. And my uncle was just like, you have an appointment at 4:30. Don't be late. So I go to Bell Tire. I was like, okay, so my uncle's probably just going to get me used tires, you know, just to get me through the winter. So, you know, they finished up putting the tires on. I get my receipt, didn't even look at it. Then I'm walking back out to my car and I'm like, I looked at my receipt. My uncle got me brand new tires. Before, I would reject stuff like that, but I didn't realize that I was low-key telling money that I didn't want it. This was the first time that I said, you know what, I'm going to accept this help. In doing that, I was now allowing more money to come in. Granted, I did pay my uncle back. It took me an embarrassingly long time to pay him back, but I'm gonna chalk that up as a win. This was one of the first times that I started to manifest money, and it just kept going up and up and up from there.